In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add texture in Blender. Now to add texture to any shapes in Blender, you will need to firstly create a material by heading over to Material Properties and then click on New. Here you need to come over to Base Color and then click this circle and select Image Texture. After you do that, you'll see an option to open up the image. Simply locate the image and then open it up. I'm going to open this image. Now you wouldn't see it because currently it is in solid mode. You need to head over to Material Properties, click this one, and there you go. You can see the image in this shape.